Hello guys, you are welcome back once more. In this video, I will show you exactly how to write your first blog post on WordPress for beginners. If you have been following this series, which I called Blogging for Beginners, I have showed you how to get profitable niche for your website. I have also showed you how to get easy to rank keywords for your new blog, right? And I have also showed you how to actually create your WordPress blog and how to do the basic settings for your WordPress blog, right? So in this particular video, I will show you how to write your first blog post on your WordPress blog. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into this video right away. So as you can see, this is my admin panel, right? This is my admin panel. For you to write your blog post, you have to log in to your admin panel. That is where you can write your blog post, right? So for you to do that, if you have forgotten, you just go to type your WordPress domain, right? Then you put wp-admin. Just see it on the screen right now. So once you have done that, enter your login details and log into your admin panel. So I will log into my own now and we'll continue with this video. So once you log into your admin panel, all you need to do is to click on post, then you click add new post, right? So I am already in the post section. So if I scroll down, you will see that on this blog I have published 94 articles right here, right? This is 94 articles on this particular website. Now if I click add, let's go up again. Okay, so if I click add new post, it is going to take us to the post editor where we are going to write this particular blog post, right? So let's wait for it to open. So as you can see, this is the post editor. So this is where we are going to write our blog content. So as you can see, it says add title. You add your post title right here. For instance, if you are writing a blog post on the best Android phone in Nigeria, you can just type it, the best Android phone in Nigeria. In Nigeria 2025, right? So this is just an example of your post title. So once you add your post title, you scroll down. This is where you're going to write your main content, right? Now you can start with, I want to show you the best Android phone in Nigeria. You have to make sure that the keyword you are targeting for this article is in the first paragraph, right? Then how long should your content be? The minimum for SEO is 300, right? 300 words article. But to be in a better position to rank better, you can write above 500 words, right? 500 words and above for you to be in a very good position to rank better. Now just fill in your content here, right? Just fill in your write-up, right? You already know what you want to write as your blog post. Just fill it in here. Then let me show you some basic things. If you want to add a subheading, let me show you. If you want to add a subheading, you click here. This is this place that says paragraph. Once you click it, as you can see, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Don't make sure you don't use space at all in the body, because the title itself will automatically take this H1 heading 1, right? So you can start from H2. You can say how to know how to know the best, how to know a good Android phone, a good Android phone, right? So this is a subheading right now, as you can see. So this is how you write your articles, step-by-step process. For you to know, right, a good Android phone, blah 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 blah, right? So you already know what you want to write. Go ahead and fill this particular space with a very good article that will be interested for people to read, right, and engage with your blog. So that is exactly how to create a blog for your WordPress website. Now, if you come down here, let me show you. If you come down here, you see focus keyword. If you look here, you see focus keyword. So you are going to enter the focus keyword you are targeting, like the best Android phone in Nigeria, right? But for you, once you create a new blog, you are not going to see this particular section, right? So in my next blog post, I will show you exactly how to get this and how to make your blog post to show up on Google when people search on Google, right? So if I scroll down, you'll see slug. So this is the actual link your website, your blog post is going to have, right? Make sure you select a short URL, right? You can say best Android phone Nigeria, best Android phone Nigeria. So this is a very good and well optimized post URL. So you can, this is the meta description. You write you can just say, in this article I showed you the best Android phone in Nigeria 2025. Read to know the latest and quality ones to buy.